So, the folks at Revolution have just released iClone 8.53, and this now ships with a set of features, amongst which are two major announcements. The inclusion of timecode in iClone and Motion Life now comes with a new motion profile for Vicon Shogun, which is an industry gold standard for AAA games and animations. An introduction of timecode to iClone brings synchronization to creators and filmmakers, as this now simply unifies captures across devices, multiple performers alongside various media formats that you can now simply synchronize and work with, bringing real-time performance, directing, and also an overall real-time live recording to creators and filmmakers, as you can now simply capture live actions with iClone Motion Live and achieve flawless synchronization across multiple mocap devices and performers at the same time. And all of these are possible with timecode. So, what is timecode and how useful can these be? Timecode for film is a system that measures time by dividing it into frames and sometimes into subframes. Timecode is used to synchronize multiple devices and medias together on a metadata level, which simply means that with timecode, you can synchronize both audio and video at once, helping production teams stay on track with shots and making it easier to identify the exact time of an event, especially when going through the shots or when editing. And when it comes to virtual production, things can get a bit more complicated, from tracking the shots all the way to using various motion capture devices to capture facial, hand gestures, and also full body performances. Tracking the shots and knowing the exact time when certain events were done can be quite confusing, especially if you don't have a system that helps you track or keep things organized. The timecode plugin provides a full-fledged platform for frame-accurate alignment of motions, video, and audio in both animation and VFX, bringing an end to the back and forth between pipelines and even across softwares. Timecode is now supported natively in all iClone motion formats, which includes the iMotion for full body motions, iMotion Plus and iTalk for facial animation, and iProject for lights and cameras. More so, this new plugin also makes it super possible to export timecode data. This can be done either by simply exporting an FBX file where the timecode data has already been encoded, or you can simply use the iClone Live Link features for Unreal Engine and so many other DCC tools to transfer data directly to these engines. Interestingly, if you're working with Motion Builder or you're working with Maya, this is super great because you can still have the timecode data synced properly across both DCC tools. So filmmakers, motion capture professionals, and animators can now work with synced data directly using timecode via Motion Live, which is an already existing mocap feature in iClone. And because timecode deals with a master clock, you can simply select the kind of master clock you like to work with, giving you flexibility to a lot of things. And speaking about flexibility and things that are super possible with Motion Live in iClone, Motion Live now comes packed with a new motion profile for Vicon Shogun, which I've already mentioned is an industry gold standard for AAA games and animation. Of course, systems like OptiTrack, Perception Neuron, Rococo, and Xsense have already been part of this, and the inclusion of Vicon Optical Motion Capture System provides a bit more robustness to the entire system. Burning data is also another cool feature that helps keep things aligned across different shots, making it easier to burn in several details, as the burning tools with iClone enables timecodes, shot details, camera info, and much more. And you can simply burn all of these directly into your rendered frames, and depending on the kind of layout that you want, you can go back and forth and select what actually works for you. And with efficient and robust motion capture and other editing tools that are now available in iClone, this now makes it even easier for you to work across different DCC tools via iClone and capture, edit, and produce amazing looking results. iClone 8.53 is currently available as a free update, and for those who are thinking about getting timecode, there is a free trial that is currently available, and the full version is currently offering a 33% off for indie early birds. So this is it. iClone 8.3 is now available, and this now introduces support for timecode information for audio, video, and motion capture data. And this is currently available across export and import formats, which includes MOV, MP4, MKV, WAV, and FBX, making it easy for filmmakers and creators to work across various motion capture devices and tools all in sync. And for those who like to take a look at this, or possibly you'd like to check this out, then links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.